Yeah, so for the blue whales we have an ongoing photo identification study. So we take pictures of all the blue whales coming into the bay. And now we have a catalogue of 148 different blue whales that's been coming into Skjalfandi Bay. And it's quite a lot because the population is only 1,000 animals in the Northeast Atlantic. So 15% of the population is coming into this bay. Yeah, and in the catalogue we give them names, and there's a lot of students helping out with this, so they also give them names. So there's like the one is called Volcano because the dorsal fin looks like a volcano. If you take the blue whales, for example, the biggest mammal on Earth, bigger than the dinosaurs, and we still, like here in Iceland, they are coming here in June, and we already know from one match to Svalbard. One was sighted here in June and then in July in Svalbard. So this is the only case of the migration of the blue whales. Otherwise we don't know where they go. We know much less about the whales than many other things in the world today. So there's so much still to discover and to find out, and that's of course exciting as a scientist.